How to fix maximum number of attempts on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix maximum number of attempts on TikTok issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok only occurs when you have tried to log in into an account one or too many times. So whenever you try to log in using your phone number or your email and you simply hit your password too many times and it comes out wrong and you try to log in again and again, the maximum number of attempts is actually reached. If that's the case, the only thing that you can actually do is wait until your attempts is a reset. After that, what you can do is you can come back here and try to log in again. If that does not fix your issue, what you can do is you can head back to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to general, tap on it, and on your general, head over to software update. After you update your software, make sure that you're on the latest version. Go back to your iPhone storage. On your iPhone storage, simply search for TikTok. So let's search for TikTok here. It's right there. Tap on TikTok and offload the app. Tap on offload and tap on offload app again. After you've offloaded the app, what you can do is you can then head back and reinstall the app. So after you reinstall the app, you can reinstall it from your app store as well. So open up your app store, search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, reinstall it. Also, if you see an update button available right here, tap on update and update your download. After you update it, you can then go back to your TikTok and then log in, and that will fix your issue. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.